Yep, winter is here. Mr. RD-6 nestled under his cover. Snow is blowing a bit sideways today. Let's go into the shop where it's a lot nicer to talk. And this is a lot better than being outside. So welcome back to the show, everybody. Why do I have you all here? Well, it's to share an exciting announcement. And I'm also going to ask you all a favor. I don't ask for much. We'll get to that in a minute. So after the most recent 2 episodes where we did the full disassembly on the Caterpillar D2 engine and all of that, I can tell the Caterpillar content is definitely the bread and butter of the channel. Those last 2 episodes alone doubled my watch minutes and my clicks, and the algorithm's just loving life right now. I don't consider this to be an anti-Caterpillar channel, just as much as I don't consider it to be a Farmall channel or a Minneapolis Moline channel or a fieldwork channel or a let's put a shed up out on a field channel. It's just a whatever I happen to be doing at the present time channel. But there is no denying the Caterpillar content is number one. It's king of the hill here. There is so much demand for it out there in the queue. So I guess I've made the decision, starting next spring, early 2025, once you can actually go outside and work and still feel your hands, we will be starting the work on the narrow Caterpillar RD-6, old 2H1768. That's been sitting there since 2012. It's definitely time. And I thank you all for all the views and all the clicks and the support of the Caterpillar content. In the meantime, this winter, well, the old Farmall H is, we're just watching paint dry. I sprayed this batch so late in the year, it's been taking forever for it to harden up enough to work, so we're waiting on that. That means I've settled back into the old familiar winter routine of X231. And yes, I can hear Caterpillar people groaning and clicking away. And y'all, I promise we're bringing the Caterpillar content back 2025, and I'm really excited to get into that narrow RD-6. I've been collecting parts and pieces now for a good 10 years. I think I'm finally ready to really dig into that. First, see if it's a rebuilder. Second, rebuild it. So that's the exciting announcement. Now, getting around to that favor that I need to ask. So, although it's going to be a long, cold several months before the Caterpillar content returns to the forefront here, I have an alternative for you all, and this is also where the favor comes in. I want you all to click over to the LAOL channel on YouTube here. Aaron and Greg, father and son duo, much like Senior and I get such a kick out of watching those guys. It's really, really good Caterpillar content. And I think they started the channel about 2 years ago now, and it's another one of those channels that really should have way more subs than it does. The editing is top notch. Like I said, the subject matter, very, very interesting and entertaining. Aaron's got a really good way of showing you everything that's going on, but kind of mixing his kind of own blend of humor in there. And it's, I really enjoy it also from just the father and son interaction part, where there are a couple of prior machine operators, heavy equipment operators, that admit that they weren't mechanics, but they decided to start into this late 4G series Caterpillar RD4. And in just about a year and a half, they went from let's take it apart and see if we can figure it out to, I think now they're up to a dozen RD4s and D4s. And the last semi-load that they hauled in, I'm not kidding you here, semi-load, they've come so far so fast. They're assessing undercarriage at a glance, and they can tell engine condition just from turning and pulling on things. And it's reminded me so much of where I was 20 years ago and starting to take an interest in the old Caterpillars, and a lot of it learning as I go. And it's a really interesting channel, and it's one that I choose to be a financial supporter of as well. That's how much I believe in these guys, and I really think this channel is going to go somewhere. And it's a long, slow grind. I've been at this here since 2011 trying to build my channel, and I would love it if we could give those guys just a influx of clicks, watch minutes, and subs. I think they're sitting at just under 7K right now. If y'all could help me boost them up over the 10K mark, I would really, really appreciate it. I'm a firm believer in support those who support us. And that's the best way to not only support me, but support them as well, because getting more of this Caterpillar content out in front of eyeballs, getting the algorithms to push more of these antique Caterpillar related channels is just as important. It's just as big of a factor in preserving this stuff as actively collecting and restoring it. So, all right, that's my favor. I know y'all love the Caterpillar content. We should be able to click 20,000 over there easy. I mean, I think we can do it, but let's just see how far we can go. Click on over to the LAOL channel. I've got a link in the description below, and for those of you on certain devices, a pop-up window should be appearing shortly. Quick links make it all easy. Spend the winter catching up on all things Caterpillar RD-4 so that come next spring, we'll be ready to roll right into its bigger brother, the Caterpillar RD-6. And that sounds like a plan if I ever heard one. Thank you, everyone. As always, hope to see y'all back again